Hey there, crypto curious? If you've ever seen Bitcoin's price shoot up like a rocket in just hours or days, you've witnessed a Bitcoin pump. But what exactly is a pump? Why does it happen? And should you jump in? Buckle up, because we're diving into the wild world of Bitcoin pumps. First things first, a Bitcoin pump is when Bitcoin's price surges rapidly, often by double-digit percentages in a short time. Think 20% in a day or even 50% in a week. These spikes get traders buzzing, social media exploding, and newbies FOMOing into the market. But pumps aren't random. They're driven by a mix of market forces, hype, and sometimes shady tactics. So why do pumps happen? One big driver is good news. Maybe a major company like Tesla accepts Bitcoin, or a country legalizes it as currency. Boom, investors pile in and the price soars. Another factor, whale activity. Whales, big players with millions in Bitcoin, can buy huge amounts, pushing the price up and triggering a chain reaction. Then there's market sentiment. When X lights up with Bitcoin to 100K posts, retail traders jump in, fueling the fire. But here's the catch, not all pumps are organic. Some are orchestrated. Yep, we're talking pump and dump schemes. Shady groups might hype a coin on X or Telegram, coordinate buys to inflate the price, then sell at the peak, leaving latecomers holding the bag when the price crashes. It's not always illegal, but it's risky, and regulators are watching. Pumps can feel like a gold rush, but they're a double-edged sword. On one hand, early buyers can make serious gains. A $1,000 investment at the start of a 30% pump, that's $1,300 in a day. But the higher it climbs, the harder it falls. Bitcoin's volatile, pumps are often followed by dumps, and if you buy at the peak, you could lose big. Plus, trading fees and taxes can eat into profits. So, should you chase Bitcoin pumps? It depends. If you're tempted, do your homework. Check the news. Legit catalysts like ETF approvals or institutional adoption are safer bets than X hype with no substance. Use stop-loss orders to limit losses, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Crypto's a wild ride, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Bitcoin pumps are part of what makes crypto exciting and nerve-wracking. They're driven by news, whales, sentiment, and sometimes manipulation. They can bring big wins or big losses, so approach with caution and a clear plan. Want to stay ahead? Follow credible crypto analysts on X, but always verify before you buy. That's the scoop on Bitcoin pumps. What do you think? Would you ride the wave or wait it out? Drop your thoughts below, and if you like this, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto breakdowns. Until next time, stay smart and trade safe.